Welcome to Momo TV. Today we are touring Wuzhen, a town that seems to exist between water and time. Located in northern Zhejiang Province, between Hangzhou and Suzhou, Wuzhen is one of the 6 ancient water towns of China, a place where the past is not forgotten, but carefully preserved. Canals weave through its heart, linking narrow alleys, stone bridges, and wooden houses that have stood for more than 1,000 years.
FBI! Magic, you draw!
Money! BB!
BB?
For centuries, this town thrived on silk weaving, rice trading, and craftsmanship. Its waterways once carried merchants and scholars. Its courtyards echoed with the laughter of families who lived and worked above the rippling canals. Even today, you can still feel the rhythm of that life. The clink of teacups, the sound of oars in the water, the quiet conversations under old lanterns. But Wuzhen is not only ancient, it is also unexpectedly modern. In recent years, it has become a symbol of China's digital age. Wuzhen isn't just a beautiful water town, it's a stage where old folk traditions still come alive. Right in front of us, we're watching some of the town's most iconic street performances. The first is the wooden bar balancing act. This is a traditional skill from the Jiangnan region. Performers step onto a long, narrow wooden beam, sometimes no wider than a hand, and walk, turn, even dance with perfect control. This art form grew out of daily life in the old water towns. People here spent their lives crossing planks over canals, loading boats from narrow walkways, carrying heavy goods along unstable beams. Over time, necessity turned into performance, and balance became art. And then there's this delightful performance, the wearable puppet dance, just like the one you're seeing now. Instead of holding strings or rods, the performer actually wears the puppet like a costume. One figure might look like an elderly lady with silver hair, while the performer behind provides the movement, expression, and personality. These characters often come from folk tales, festivals, or village humor. Their exaggerated faces and playful gestures are meant to make people laugh, break the seriousness of daily life, and bring the community together. In the past, these puppet costume performers appeared at temple fairs, weddings, or harvest celebrations. Today in Wuzhen, they bring a touch of nostalgia to visitors from all over China. A reminder that folk art doesn't need a grand theater. It lives right here between the old stone walls and canal bridges. Surrounded by the crowd's cheers, laughter, and applause, you can feel how these traditions still warm the heart of this ancient town. Wuzhen is not only a place to see, it's a place where stories dance in front of you. Each year, leaders of the nation's tech world, Jack Ma, Pony Ma, Robin Lee, and many others, gather here for the World Internet Conference. They meet not in high-rise towers, but among ancient walls and river reflections. Why Wuzhen? Because here, the old and new coexist in harmony. The same waterways that once carried silk and stories now carry ideas of innovation, technology, and the future. It's a reminder that progress doesn't always mean forgetting where you came from. The beauty of Wuzhen lies in its contrasts. Centuries-old stone bridges beside fiber optic cables, tea houses beside conference halls, reflections of lanterns and LED lights merging on the same river. As we begin our walk through these narrow lanes and waterways, take a moment to slow down. Listen to the sound of the water brushing against the boats. Feel the calm in the air, and imagine, this same river once carried merchants of the Ming Dynasty, and today, it welcomes the world's tech visionaries. This is Wuzhen, ancient yet modern, tranquil yet full of thought, a place where China's digital dreams flow gently through the waters of history. Wuzhen, this quiet water town in northern Zhejiang, has been called the soul of Jiangnan. Sitting between Hangzhou, Suzhou, and Shanghai, it forms part of China's most poetic region, where rivers intertwine with villages and time seems to slow with the flow of the canals. For more than 1,300 years, Wuzhen has lived by the water. Its stone bridges, black-tiled houses, and wooden corridors are arranged like a painting from the Song dynasty. Everywhere you look, there is that classic Jiangnan palette. Whitewashed walls, shadowy wood beams, green willows bending over the river. But Wuzhen isn't just beautiful. It is alive with tradition. Families here once made their living from weaving, dyeing cloth, producing rice wine, and operating tea houses. Even today, as you walk deeper into its lanes, you'll catch the faint aroma of soy-braised dishes, smell the sweetness of guihua gao osmanthus cakes, or hear the clinking of teacups from riverside homes. Wuzhen cuisine reflects the calm and warmth of this region. Simple, yet unforgettable. Local favorites include red braised lamb, tender, fragrant, perfect with cold weather. Wuzhen qingtuan, soft green rice dumplings filled with bean paste during spring festivals. White lotus root with glutinous rice, delicate, sweet, a Jiangnan classic. Handmade Wuzhen rice wine, mellow, slightly sweet, brewed using old wooden barrels. As you walk through these cobblestone alleys, you'll notice workshops still producing lan yin hua bu, traditional indigo-dyed cloth. This craft has survived generations. The patterns of blue and white remain symbols of Jiangnan elegance, and woven into all of this is Wuzhen's role in modern China. Though ancient, the town has become known in recent years as the meeting place for leaders of the digital era. The World Internet Conference is held here annually, attracting tech founders and global innovators. The contrast is striking: old stone bridges above the water, and inside the conference halls, conversations about AI, 5G, cloud computing, and the future of the digital world. But maybe that is exactly why they choose Wuzhen, a place where time slows just enough for reflection, where the whisper of the river softens the noise of modern life. Walking through its dimming laneways, passing by lantern-lit reflections, hearing local dialect floating from doorways, you feel something rare, a sense of continuity, as if the old life of Jiangnan is still here, gently alive, waiting for you to discover it. This is Wuzhen, peaceful but worldly, ancient yet forward-looking, a place where culture, history, food, craftsmanship, and innovation all converge along the winding waters of the canal.
有谁知道现在在我身后的这一位天使之王是谁吗？弹幕上有谁知道吗？就是我们在现在直播间抢答正确的卷毛狒狒，可以得到我们乌镇联名的一个德语制的扇子。萨斯利尔。
Thank you for touring with us. See you in next episode.